Well, hi there guys, Mark here. Welcome today to an unboxing and full assembly review on the EBI, which stands for Electric Bike Innovation. And this is the Agile model, so we're going to be doing a full unboxing and assembly video. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's crack on with this. Got my Stanley knife and my side cutters. So big box, pretty heavy, weighs about 40 kilos gross, but the bike only weighs about 22 kilos net, so let's crack this open. We all love a good unboxing, don't we? So EBI, I believe these are a Swiss company from Switzerland. Oh wow, that's very impressive. First impressions. I just bring the camera over to show you this. So first impressions upon opening the box, very nicely packed. I mean, this is a premium bike, and initial thoughts on the packaging, exceptionally well packaged. All the cardboard around everything, wrapping, looks really nice. So anyway, let's crack on. So first things first, just let's remove all this cardboard that we can. So that's got something in it by the feel of it. So that looks like your front wheel and your bars. Look at that in a minute. Saddle, looks nice, medium sort of size. Looks like it's suspension as well, which is a very good touch start. More packaging around the top of the frame. Another big nice box of accessories. We'll have a look at that in a minute. So let's see if we can lift this out in one. Well, first impressions, it's very light. It's not very often you can do that. Lift a bike straight out of the box, being electric. But that's pretty much it in the box. So we'll, oh no, we got something else down here, hidden away. It looks like it is the battery down the side here. Ooh, that feels very nice indeed. So that's that there. Check this end, make sure nothing's in there. No, that's all fine. Right, we can clear that away. So here's the battery. It is a 36 volt, 9.8 amp hour, 360 watt hours battery. Like nothing I've seen before in terms of size, shape and quality. So that's a really nice start. Alright, so that's really definitely a good start. So got really nice instructions, quick start guide. There's your charger, there's your charging line for the EDS wireless rear shifter at the back there, 12 speed charger. Got a comprehensive little toolkit here. Let's have a look in here. With a ratchet spanner with all your different fittings. Now that's, I've never seen that before on any e-bike, a ratchet spanner. That's really nice touch. Suspension seat, display pedals. You've got a through axle, which is a nice touch. It's not as difficult to steal the front wheel. You need tools to take that out. That's for the front wheel there, rather than just a quick release skewer. There's your keys. The bike itself looks amazing. It's going to be pretty straightforward to build. So here are the bars. Looks like your plus and minus for power assistance levels. info button. There's your shifter buttons for your wireless shifter. Road tyres, but the paintwork and all the build quality looks exceptional. Obviously it's got a rear rack and a front rack. It's quite a interesting design. So side stand there, it's got a mid-drive motor with torque sensor, hydraulic brakes, going to go on the bars, obviously by Tektro. Front wheel with your through axle, full length mudguard. So far build quality is absolutely first class. So let's crack on with the build, guys. Right, so it's all going really well. It's super easy so far to put together. Interesting little detail on the seat here. It's got like a little separate little metal sort of clamp thing that you have to sort of drop into behind the seat post, and then you have to tighten it up with an Allen key. So you will always need an Allen key with you in your tool bag when you're going cycling to adjust the seat. So to adjust the seat, just undo here, and then the seat goes up and down. Set it to how you want it, then you're going to just turn it, just pinch it tight. Don't know if it's super tight, and that's it, tight. It is a suspension seat post, which is a really nice touch. You've got a little dust cap that goes down on there. Then your bars just go in here. You've got 4 Allen bolts. You set it straight, you can adjust it how you want it, and then just simply tighten each bolt in turn. I generally do it on a sort of a diagonal pattern, so you feel one tight and then go up again to the top, just pinch that tight, and then the diagonal, pinch that tight, and then just give each one a little sort of tweak up. You haven't got to over tighten these little bolts, they don't take much torque. And that's your bars done. So far looking good. So next thing we need to do is put the brake levers on. So just with the Allen key, undo the Allen bolt on the grip, take the grip off, slide on the brake lever, put the grip back on, and then just adjust it to however you like it to be for your position, and make sure it's all nice and tight. So next job to do is to install the front wheel. So just take out the plastic storage spacer. There's like a little plastic spacer in between the brake pads. Take that out. Take your through axle from inside the accessory kit. So it's going to go in through this way with the threaded end going that way, because it will thread into that part of the fork there. Just slide the wheel in. It does help if you obviously have the bike upside down for doing this. Just carefully line it all up, put it through, line up the axle, put the through axle in, and then take your Allen key and clockwise to tighten. Not too tight, that's fine. And then just check for any brake rubbing, check the brake operation, and that's your front wheeling. Just while the bike's upside down, it's going to just have a little detailed look of this mid-drive motor. It's quite a nice detail here, all the motor. Beautiful build quality. You're getting an absolutely premium bike here. Now's as good time as any to pump the tyres up. These have got Presta valves, and these tyres are by Swalby, so good quality tyre. Pressure says between 35 and 70 psi, so quite a wide range. You know, if you're doing a little bit of light tracks and trails, you can probably set it at 40 for a bit of give. Obviously there's no suspension on this, but if you're road use, pump them to about sort of 60-70 psi. I'm going to pump them to 50 just to try that out. So there we go, 50 psi. Don't forget to turn the locking screw on the Presta valve, pop the cap back on, and repeat for the rear. So next we can put the pedals on. It's a 15mm spanner required. They're marked left and right. The right one has a clockwise thread and the left has an anti-clockwise thread. Again, just nip it tight, don't have to over tighten. Right, so next thing you can do is get the display, remove the little tiny Allen bolts on the brackets, offer it up onto the bars, plug in the two wires in the back, just making note that one is different to the other, one's bigger than the other. Plug the wires in first, then put the display on, and then tighten it up with a little Allen key, or use the supplied one in the pack, both sides. And at this stage, you know, I've adjusted this here, I've adjusted the angle of the stem, you can adjust the angle of the bars, you can adjust the brakes to however you like it, which suits you for comfort. And then just have a final sort of check and nip it all up, make sure it's all nice and tight. Nearly finished the build now, so you can take your battery. This takes about 6-7 hours to charge up. Just slide it down into the back here, locates on the connections down below, and just a simple push to click. And to remove it, you get two keys. Just turn and remove like that. So a nice battery system, nice and easy to use. So you can charge the battery on the bike through the port there, or you can take it off, up to you. So I believe these covers come off here, and you can sort of just change the colour of that, which is a nice touch. So that's pretty much it now. So we'll just have a final run round the bike. There you have your Ebi Agile electric bike ready to ride. So we're just going to run through again what we did. Take it out of the box, take all the wrapping off, check the bike all over for any damage or scratches first of all, make sure you've got everything in, all the packaging, all the accessories that come with it. So you know, what we did was flip the bike, put the bars on, display, plug it all in, and flip the bike over, put the front wheel in, put the through axle, tighten it up, pump the tyres. I've got mine to about 50 psi. Pedals, seat goes in with a little supplied clamp that goes in there. Charge a battery, about 6 hours to charge it up. Good thorough check over the bike, check everything, check all your nuts and bolts are tight. You can adjust these bars exactly how you want them. Make sure your brakes are nice and firm, have a good bite to them. Power on your display, check your power assist levels. Obviously you've got your electronic shifters there, which we'll go into when we do the full review on the bike. That pretty much concludes the assembly of the Ebi Agile electric bike. Thanks for watching.